So visual aids are an important element of a presentation. They can really add to the presentation and make it a more full experience for your audience and for you as a presenter. It's a good skill to have to be able to integrate different things as you're speaking. So for this assignment, you are required to have a visual aid. That can come in many different forms. You read over the chapter about visual aids and take those principles and keep them in mind as you are creating your visual aid. So for this speech, it is recorded via Connect online. You can upload a PowerPoint presentation or a video or a photo presentation into Connect, and there are instructions on how to do that I'll make available to you. But make sure that you look at that and how you can do that. So if you would choose to use a PowerPoint presentation or a video or a photo, that you can upload them so we can see it on your screen. That is the best way to go. You can also use objects. So if you have some sort of object that you think is important to show that you can display, just follow those guidelines again for visual aids. So here you will submit your visual aid and talk about why you chose it and how you plan to integrate this visual aid. If it is a PowerPoint, again, keep in mind that you will need to make sure that you are clicking through it at the appropriate time and that you're not leaving up information when you've already moved past that information. So I look forward to seeing your visual aids and how they're going to add to your speeches.